Hey guys, I'm Relamethyst here. Another redo. It takes forever. I really constantly die when I try to get to my own house. So now I won't die. And when I was trying to record the last 20 million times, I actually saw a dungeon house right over there in the distance. Probably can't see it, but it's like really far away. So once I make a bed and stuff, I'll be able to get to it. I better have enough wood for all this. I'm mixing wood. Don't yell at me. It's for the purpose of not going like 100 blocks away to mine another one of these trees. Finally! This is the best. Best. I finally got a bed. I'm probably gonna die. I should probably die before I do this. That is straight on my bed. Oh, come on. That right here? Oh my gosh, there's a village there too. Oh, this is so epic. Just gonna die. If I die, I have health and hunger. But I do lose my stuff. Okay, I have a good idea. I'm gonna mine my bed. Actually, no, I should not mine my bed. That's the worst idea ever in my. I should create a new bed. Let me just show you. Now you can begin the journey that's not very epic at all. Probably epic once I go to the dungeon. But I found a village. Better camp out there. It's closer. More wolves. No bones. No way. The house dungeon's over that way. There's a dungeon at this village. This is an epic village. I'm gonna sleep here. Mm, Hopefully I set my respawn point. This is a scary hole. I have no torches. It's very scary. Nope, I can hear skeletons. Might do that next time. Let's just make this episode about this beautiful village. Found a village. Okay, what? Am I on the backside? Oh, yes, I am. Why is there two smiths? There's no blacksmith building. All my mods, Custom Crosshair works in 1.12.2 and I'm in 1.12.2 Forge, so I'm just bored. I have really not that much to do here except find villagers. A pink sheep! Pink sheep, you deserve a house. These are the rarest animals in the game. At least I think. Maybe skeleton horses, but pink sheep. King pink sheep. Must make him fences. Come on! I literally just made you a house. I made you a house. Okay, I guess you want a pen, pink sheep? You want a pen? Of course, that's not how you craft them. Mr. Pink Sheep, stay. Go back up. Pink Sheep. Hey, hey. Hey. You deserve to be in there too. Hey, hey. Escapist, escapist. I need to get wheat for these. It's really my only use I could use with this wheat. I have carrots, I don't need bread. I've actually have got the pink sheep in the pen. I'm not gonna make a chicken farm. I might make a chicken farm, but not right now, cause make a pink sheep. Come on. Hey, 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 sheep. Yo, sheep. What up, sheep? Me a sheep? Do you not see me or something? Get in here, sheepy, sheep, sheep. Thank you, sheep. Thank you, sheep, for getting yourself stuck. Ugh. I just gotta collect some wheat from our dear sheepies. What the heck? What is this? I've never seen a mod like this. Is there a place down there that lets you do this? Okay, I guess. I want to see these fireworks, so... Okay, I guess. Why is there firework dispensers everywhere? A dungeon? Mine. Mine, you villagers. I'm a cow breeder. Okay, time to wrap it up. Goodbye, guys. Hope you had a great day. Enjoy.